reacts.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, and we are live. What's up, guys? GeorgeTheCloud here. My name is Jorge, aka George. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to my bedroom. I hope you guys are feeling fantastic. Today we're checking out Codfish Night Purple Whale. So an interesting name to start off, and yeah, quite intriguing image already. So let's get into it. This dropped 4 hours ago, so we're getting in right at the brand new premiere here, right at the start. So let's get started. If you're not ready, get some popcorn, fill up your water, and put on your headphones. Very important. Let's go.
Quell a well of anger, quell a well of anger, by polishing its grey stone with saliva flying from its mouth, from the mouth of man. A tuneful unfeigned love, black as a raven's wing, and bright as a cloud, spirits watching from the crystal tower of the Most High above. The pearly white clouds drift on through it like a patient tide, foaming at the mouth of a great purple whale, his back sparkling on the ocean surface, reflecting the constellation of the night. Oh, harmony, and with red oil fills the grey. How the Leviathan's whirlpooling gave the pale sword and rough drifts and saves, and the golden wand of wonder waves, revealing the charm on the plain.
That was really short. We're gonna listen to that again because I have to.
Quell a well of anger by polishing its grey stone with saliva flying from its mouth, from the mouth of man. A tuneful unfeigned love, black as a raven's wing, and bright as a cloud, spirits watching from the crystal tower of the Most High above. The pearly white clouds drift on through it like a patient tide, foaming at the mouth of a great purple whale, his back sparkling on the ocean surface, reflecting the constellation of the night. Oh, harmony, and with red oil fills the grey. How the Leviathan's whirlpooling gave the pale sword and rough drifts and saves, and the golden wand of wonder waves, revealing the charm on the plain.
Nice. All right, available now on all streaming platforms, and really is like basically all platforms.
Reading the jam on the plane. Yeah.
There's the beatboxing. First things first, we like and we subscribe. Already subscribed. I'll have a link of the original video down in the description so you can check it out and support Codfish. You know, I was enjoying this so much, I only noticed until like halfway that there was no beatboxing whatsoever. So, I mean, that's positive, I guess. I was just so entranced by the lullaby. You know, Codfish lately has been surprising me with his tracks. He doesn't put out content very often, but his latest content is more, I want to say, deviant of the usual beatboxing. It's more experimental, dare I say, avant-garde. And yeah, this was a really nice song. It reminded me of or it made me think of like somebody singing this in like a field somewhere, maybe in like Scotland or a land like that, some, I don't know, faraway European country, from like a children's fairy tale book. And the creativity, guys, the lyrics, I mean, I didn't catch all the lyrics, but it was really quite creative. And I don't know, lately, yeah, he's been doing a lot of animals and interesting stories, which I support and I find really cool. So, I mean, his name is Codfish after all. But yeah, it's interesting. It's just interesting. I'm still like processing. I don't even know what to say because I'm still processing what I just witnessed. But of course, it was great. It was the performance, guys, playing the guitar. I hadn't seen him do that before, and this setup here is quite interesting. When I first saw it, I was like, "What is this? You know, like a prop?" But obviously, it's, you know, some sort of like shield here for the microphone. But I'm not an expert on this. I'm assuming it's, you know, to get better quality sound. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Codfish, the man down under. So yeah, there we go. If you enjoyed the reaction, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, recommend, and even do a flip. Till the next.
Thanks for watching.